For today's work together, you're going to need something to write on and something to write with. If you need to go get something, press pause and come on back, and then we will get started. Okay, we're going to warm up our brains today by doing some thinking about digraphs. On your paper, I want you to write the letters that make the sound ch. Ch. Check mine with yours in 3, 2, 1. CH, chin, ch. Good. On your paper, I want you to write the letters that make the sound w. Think about the digraph. W. Be ready? In 3, 2, 1. WH, whistle, w. WH, whistle, w. Check yours with mine. Awesome. On your paper, write the letters that make the sound th. Be ready in 3, 2, 1. TH, thumb, digraph. TH, thumb. All right. On your paper, write the digraph that makes the sound k. K. Keep in mind it often comes at the end of a word, after a vowel, a short vowel. K. Be ready in 3, 2, 1. CK, sock, k. On your paper, write the letters that make the digraph sound sh. Sh. Be ready in 3, 2, 1. SH, ship, sh. Got it. Okay, let's do some thinking together. In our thinking together, we need to keep in our brain those digraph sounds and the letters that make those digraph sounds together. Sometimes, in addition to a digraph, a single consonant can be next to the digraph. When this happens, we make the sound of the consonant and then we make the digraph sound with it. This is what I mean. You might see in a word that you have these letters next to each other. A consonant and then a digraph. If you see these next to each other, you make the sound of the consonant and then the digraph ch, and slide them together. Ch, ch. Say it ch. Good. Sometimes the consonant may be after the digraph. For example, this happens with this digraph. We have digraph SH and then a single consonant R. We would make the sound sh for the digraph and then sh, slide them together, sh, Two sounds, even though there's 3 letters, because we know that this is still a digraph. We keep the digraph sound together even if there is a consonant before it or after it. All right? Today we're going to do some practice with these digraphs next to consonants. Remember, make those consonant sounds just as you normally would and make those digraph sounds just as you normally would. Let's start with the word chain. On your paper, I want you to write the word munch. Listen for all the sounds of the word. Munch. I will munch my food. Munch. Munch. Take your time, press pause if you need to, and then unpause when you're ready to do thinking together. We'll think together in 3, 2, 1. Munch is the word. Ch. Digraph. I see my digraph ch, and I see my consonant right before it. munch. Sometimes that consonant can be very hard to hear, but we have to make sure it's in there. Otherwise, it changes the whole sound of the word. Munch. Good. Change munch to runch. Runch. What stays the same? What changes? Runch. Runch. Be ready in 3, 2, 1. Runch. I need to get rid of that M. Ch. Runch. Runch. Okay. I'm going to change runch to Dutch. Dutch. What stays the same? What's changing? Write it on your paper. Dutch. Stretch it out if you need to. Hear all the sounds in the word. Dutch. Be ready in 3, 2, 1. D. I need a D. D. T. Dutch. Dut. T. T. I hear that consonant T. 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 Dut. Ch. Dutch. Dutch. Consonant by itself. Digraph at the end. Dutch. Check your Dutch with my Dutch. Make Dutch itch. Itch. Be ready in 3, 2, 1. Itch. I. Don't need that. I. Don't need that. I. I. T. Ch. Itch. It. Ch. Still hear that digraph at the end. Hard to hear that consonant, but I hear it when I stretch out that word. Itch. Itch. It. 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 Itch. Itch is the word. Okay. This time, I'm going to write up a word. It's going to be missing one sound. Your job is to figure out which sound is missing. You can shout it out. You can write it on your paper. The word that I'm writing is the word mulch. I'm taking out this sound right here. Mulch. Mulch is the word. I put mulch around my flowers. Mulch is the word. What sound is missing right here? Write it down. Shout it out. L. Mulch. Mulch is the word. You hear how it slides right in there? It's its own sound, but you have to really listen for it. Mulch. Okay, here's your next word. I'm writing on my board the word catch. Catch. Here are the parts I'm giving you. Catch. Catch. Shout it out or write it down. What is missing at the end of the word catch? C-H. Catch. Catch. I was missing that digraph at the end. Ch. Catch. Here's that single consonant all alone. We still hear it, just hard to hear. Last one. Let's do the word tenth. Tenth. Here's the part I'm giving you. Tenth. He was in 10th grade. 10th. What sound is missing? Stretch it out, write it down, shout it out. 10th. 10th. Notice how that digraph is at the end. So it's a consonant that's missing here. 10th. Let's do it together in 3, 2, 1. What letter? N. 10th. Consonant digraph. They can be next to each other. We'll do more practice soon. See you later.